Hello, welcome to Sai Recipes. Today I am going to prepare pumpkin stir fry or pumpkin masala fry. For that I have taken 4 big pieces of pumpkin. First I wash the pumpkin pieces well. Peel them nicely. Scrape off the top layer to remove the seeds and then I cut them into small pieces. This is the chopped pumpkin which I have peeled the skin, removed the seeds and chopped into small pieces like this. Next I am going to prepare pumpkin stir fry. For that heat a pan. Into this I am going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Oil is hot now. I am adding half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Mustard seeds are spluttering. Now add 1 teaspoon of chana dal. Saute for a few seconds. Then add 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Saute it till the dal turns slightly brownish. Make sure the temperature is on low to medium. Now I am going to add ginger garlic paste, about half a teaspoon of. Saute it till the raw smell goes away. Then adding chopped onions. This is about 2 cups. Saute it until onions turns transparent. I have used the same cup or a single cup to measure the ingredients. Here I am adding some curry leaves and 4 half-cut green chillies. Then stir it well. Friends, please support me by subscribing my channel Sai Recipes and leave a comments in comment section. Now I am adding half a teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder and 1 or 2 pinch of turmeric powder. And then give a quick stir. Here I am adding chopped tomatoes. It is about 1 cup of. Saute it until tomatoes become softened. It's ready to add chopped pumpkin. This is about 6 heaping cups. Mix it up. Mix everything well and then cook it for a minute. Now add required water. 1 cup is enough. So I add 1 cup of water. Then adding salt as per taste. I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt. That's enough. Mix everything well. Everything is well combined. Now I am going to cover it up with a lid and let it to cook for 6 to 7 minutes on medium to low flame. It's done. Pumpkin is cooked perfectly. Now I am going to add 1 cup of grated coconut and 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves and half a teaspoon of jaggery powder. Mix it up nicely and again cook it for a minute. Pumpkin stir fry is ready. Enjoy this masala fry with rice, roti or chapati. Thank you. Thank you for watching video. Thank you so much.